Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is the 15th of January, it's a Thursday, and I took a Tipeee trade on my Express account and I took a BE trade on my Alpha Zero funded account. And I'll walk you guys through what my idea was for the day and why I took these trades. So coming into the day, I was kind of bullish. Why? Because if we go into the higher time frame, look at the higher time frame market structure, we can see that here all we've done recently is just go up, come down, retest this low, then go up, come down, retest the low, we go and so here we go up again and we come down and retest this low. We reacted off of the 7.9 of the entire range, very nice. So I'm not expecting us to really be going down here anymore. I'm more expecting price to want to come up to this level, but I could see a rebalance to the downside here at open, which I said in my daily bias, and I wasn't too sure about this zone actually in during open. I kind of thought we would just push up higher, but I was wrong and we wanted to react from this level, and it isn't a bad level. It's a daily, we have a daily here, a daily rejection block, which is very nice, and also a 30-minute fair value gap. We sweep out all of this liquidity as well, and a 30-minute inverse, so a pretty good zone to react off of. Might be 7.9 of this entire range as well. Yeah, it was basically at 7.9 of the entire range as well. So basically here at open I was very patient, did not rush anything because price was pretty bad here and I wasn't too sure of what price wanted to do here. Let's see, we come up and we make a SMT right there. So I did want to see an entry here at this RB, but we never retraced to it, so I didn't get an entry. Draw was very clearly lower here since we had an unfilled 1 hour stacked lows right here, and which also later became an unfilled 4 hour after 10 a.m. So yeah, bias was bearish here after we showed this great rejection, and as long as we don't take out this liquidity, I'm gonna look for shorts in this zone. So right here I'm just waiting for 10 a.m. to see what we might want to do. I'm gonna try to remove some of these drawings. Okay, so here at 10 a.m. we basically just shop a little bit, we sweep out this low, which I wasn't the biggest fan of, but as long as we don't take out this liquidity, I'm still gonna be bearish. So we just shop here, shop around, and at this 10 a.m. we got this 4 hour rejection block from this zone. We get a nice, very nice 1 hour rejection block here. And why this is very nice is because yeah, it sweeps out all the liquidity, reacts in a PY, and shows very good rejection. So if we come into the 5 minutes, so here we have some things lining up. We have a CE of this 1 hour rejection block. We have a 5-minute rejection block here, a 15-minute rejection block as well, and also kind of this 15-minute order block, you could say. And yeah, 3-minute rejection block as well. ES is stronger, so ES comes up, sweep this high, which creates a very nice bearish SMT, which is very nice to see. In the 2-minute, we have also a rejection block, and what's very nice here, if you look in the 1 minute, and this is basically how I got this precision zone, we have CE and we have resting liquidity right before it. We have resting liquidity here, we have resting, and also this resting liquidity and that one. So here what we do, we come up, didn't sweep out this high. This is a fake out to get people to go short, put stop losses here, get a small rejection, then we come up again, re-sweep that high, take out this liquidity, and when I see rejection off of this, we sweep out and then we see rejection. That is when I enter, so I entered right there basically. Just enter manually once I saw rejection. It lines up with 7.05 of the entire range. I think in the 30-second we also had a 30-second fair value gap as well, and order block. So yeah, very nice zone with also with the SMT. And here, as you can see here, we have AMD playing out. We have accumulation right here, manipulation up, and distribution lower. And as you can see here, price is very bad for all of this time. And how am I then able to catch like the biggest move that's been made for this entire day after open? This is like the best distribution we've had the entire day, and that's when I'm in the trade. That's because I enter when smart money enters basically. Here we're just accumulating, creating liquidity first to target here. We're creating orders here that price gonna want to target. We just generate liquidity, and here we get this momentum up, which is nice. You want to see this to be the momentum up, because this is the manipulation. We sweep out these highs, react off of the level, and then all of the orders get filled, and now we ran straight down to take TP. I had 3 contracts. I took one off at 10 a.m, which was not the best decision. We had been reacting very good off 10 a.m, but yeah, kind of shouldn't have taken it off of 10 a.m. Then I took one off here, and also lastly one off like right here, because it was kind of edging the level, and I had a very trail stop here, so I just exited manually because it was about like 5 points. So yeah. But that was this trade idea, very, very solid trade, definitely A+. And then here the one, I took a little bit of a premature entry here on alpha. Because I also had another zone here, which we were showing rejection of. Basically did like that. I got break even, as you guys can see. And it wasn't like the worst trade, but this was kind of like a mid trade. So we come up, ES takes this high, so we create a bearish SMT. We react off of the 0.62 of the entire range. We show very good rejection off of this 3-minute rejection block, and also this 1-minute one, and this 1-minute rejection block. I should have gone a better entry, but I honestly got filled very bad. My entry should have been like right there, but yeah, I got a very bad fill. So my entry was like right there, and I went break even as soon as we just swept this, because my idea was that if we're gonna react from this level, we're just gonna go up here again, and we want to resweep. So not the worst trade, not the best trade, but I thought it was worth a try. But yeah, that was the trade idea for today, and this was 100% the best trade of the day in my opinion. Very nice to be able to catch like the best distribution of the entire day. And right now my balance are sitting at 1.3k on this account and 1.2k on my other account. So very nice building up the balance. I have 3 winning days, I think. Yeah, 3 winning days, so might be able to get another payout next week, or at least before January ends, hopefully. And that was the trade recap for today.